So we started off with an arrow. Now we're gonna go to a bow because B is the starting letter of the bow because B stands for bow. Anyways, I'm back with another video, and last time we created an arrow for the letter A from the default cube, and basically now we're gonna be creating the actual weapon, which is B. B for bow, and I'm gonna be doing speed run again for speed modeling. And yeah, so I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and if you do, hoping you're gonna like and yeah, subscribe, hoping we're gonna be reaching 100 subs this year. And yeah, so anyways, that's that. Again, disclaimer, I'm just doing purely speed modeling, just modeling and no material creation or whatever, just pure modeling. So there's that. Anyways guys, I'll be heading on to the next part. See you in the next part, boys. So yeah, I actually recorded my best attempt for again in this speed run, and we're about to start right about now. Okay, so I added a modifier, which is the mirror modifier, to the z-axis, and I headed on to edit mode and extruded the top face, and then we go to edge select, and then we bevel the edges to make that kind of round shape for the handle, and then I selected the top face, extruded it, scale it up, and then extrude, inset, bam, we have the handle, and then we extrude the top part for the stick, where we're gonna be putting our string, and we do some loop cuts, a lot of loop cuts, and then we select the top part. I turned on what is this called, proportional editing, just to make sure it kind of smooths out on the scaling, and then I just moved that top face with proportional editing enabled, just so that I can actually make that shape of the bow. So there's that, and yeah, it looks like a curved, so that's good. And now I select one of those faces underneath that part of the stick to create the place where I put the string. So what I did here is that I subdivided this, and then head on to loop tools, and then circle. That's an add-on, by the way. And then I scale it a bit small, okay, and then I enabled clipping on the modifier, the mirror modifier, and then extruded the circle underneath until it actually reaches the bottommost part. And then I exited edit mode, auto smooth, shaded smooth, and bam, the official time is a minute and 33 seconds. Wow, I'm proud of this. Yeah, it's actually a lot faster than the arrow from the last video. I don't know if it's because of the fact that the recording was laggy, but I'm pretty sure it was the factor up there. So yeah, and this was much more smoother in recording for some reason. I don't know, my laptop does that anytime, sometimes. So there's that. And to me, the bow itself looks actually nice, to be honest. It looks like a generic design of a bow, which I presume it looks like that because I have not checked any reference photos before this. So this is just from my stock knowledge. So there's that, and it looks nice. For me, like, I don't know for you guys, but it looks nice. I'll be making a scene for this particular model, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. Here it is, guys. So this right here is the bow, letter B for bow. So barely, it looks nice. Geometry wise it's good, and the shape, it's nice, and it's I'm so proud of the speed run. It is really nicely made. And here it is, the wireframe and the viewport and the rendered version. I know it's blue, it's the same as the last time, so there's that. And I also posted this on Instagram and ArtStation. If you want to check out those accounts, the links are in the description box below. So there's that, and yeah, that's it for letter B, guys, and I'll be thinking of a object for letter C in the next video. Be sure to stick around and find out what I'm going to be making in the next time when I do this challenge again. that I make I make a object from the default cube of Blender. If you like this video, hoping you like the video and subscribe for more content like this. I'm hoping to reach 100 subs this year, so there's that. And I'll be seeing you guys soon in the next video. Peace out, bro. Yeah.